Welcome to the Perfect Baking Series by Kush Cake. We would be making a classic red velvet cake. This recipe is extremely soft, moist, tender, full of flavor and distinct. This recipe is oil-based and does not require a mixer. Ingredients needed are flour 2.5 cups, sugar 1.5 cup, cocoa powder 1 tablespoon, 2 large eggs, 1 cup buttermilk, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon white vinegar, 3/4 cup vegetable oil, 3 to 4 tablespoons red food color, 1 teaspoon strawberry, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1/4 cup hot instant coffee, 8-inch baking pan, buttered and floured and lined with a baking paper. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Sieve all your dry ingredients into a mixing bowl. These ingredients include flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, salt. Get a second mixing bowl and break the egg. Whisk with the hand whisk. Add the buttermilk, vegetable oil, red food color, flavor, and 1 teaspoon white vinegar. Add the dry ingredients to the wet in 3 additions. Turn with your hand whisk till all are fully combined. Add the coffee to the batter and mix. Pour your batter into your prepared lined pan. Scrape the sides of the bowl with a spatula into the pan. Bake at medium temperature, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. It can take about an hour to an hour and a half. Don't open the oven to check the cake till about an hour into baking. When the cake is done, let it cool and enjoy. Thank you for watching.